The annotation tools in the TextHelp PDF Reader really give you quite a few options in how you can mark up a PDF that you're working on, and then you can print that PDF, or you can email it or hand it back in using Schoology or Google Classroom. Let's walk through the 4 different annotation tools real quick so you can see what you could do with these. So the first tool is the typewriter tool. Select that. You know it's highlighted when it's got the little purple line at the bottom of the icon, and then just set your cursor somewhere on the screen. Maybe you need to type your name. You can also change the size of the font in here. You can change the color of the font if you wanted to do something like that. And then when you're done, go ahead and hit the check mark to add that annotation. Now, another way that you can use this, though, is you could use word prediction in here, just like you would in a Google Doc, or you can use talk and type, and you can speak whatever it is that you would like to put in that box. So you can pull up the word prediction and use the suggestions.
Helped, helps, helpful, helpful.
And then I'll turn that prediction off, and let's make that a little smaller, and maybe we can make that one red, and then I can leave that right there. Another tool that's in there is the push pin. So this one, it's really similar to the typewriter tool, but instead of leaving the text visible on the document, it places a little red push pin that can be opened and closed. So I could maybe leave one right here, and let's just say this one was really challenging for me. Period. I'm going to turn that off, and then again I'll shrink that back down, and oops, hit the wrong button there. And then I'm going to hit this checkbox, and there you go. You can see the little red push pin is available, and if I tap on that, it will expand and show me what's inside of that. The last 2 options are just drawing tools. So one is a shapes tool. You can choose lines, circles, rectangles. You can change the line thickness. You can change the color and the fill, and put any kind of shape on the document if you needed to do something like that. And then the freehand drawing, very similar. I could change the color to be whatever I want, and let's drop that thickness down. And then you could use this. Let's say you wanted to actually do all of your annotating to show what it is that you've learned or what you need somebody else to see. So those are the 4 major annotation tools that are available in the PDF Reader. Really helpful, again, if you want to use that to actually mark up a PDF right on your computer and then return that assignment.